Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm still wearing the same shirt from last week's video, which means these videos have been recorded on the same day. Please, so I'm a little bit tired of talking, but welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, as always, I'm thankful for you guys. I hope you're well. I hope you're safe. I hope everything is going well for you. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about how much can you save as a chartered accountant in Zimbabwe, so that you can do your other projects and whatnot. Right, so first things first, as a chartered accountant in Zimbabwe, your salary, we talked in last week's video that your net salary is in a range of from 1.5 to about 3.5, depending on what company you chose to go to, depending on what industry this said company is, and also depending on what is your role and your negotiation skills. So we know that you have 1.5 to 3.5. I'm doing this video so that you can make a decision if you're a CA who wants to leave Zimbabwe, or you are struggling with whether to stay or not, because I know that the UK salaries come in and they make so much sense if you're using the Zimbabwe cost of living. But for me, I'm not more of what is the salary. I'm more concerned with what kind of life am I going to lead, and what sort of money I have in my pocket at the end of living the life that I get to live. So you can check out my cost of living video. The only thing that has changed now in that cost of living video is that my rent went up by 150. I moved into a nicer place so that it can match my rich aunt's shenanigans. You can check the flat or apartment tour video. So my rent is now 250. So from 500 is now, my cost of living would be like 650, right? But then also in that video I also had fuel costs. But most of those jobs as a CA, you get a job that gives you a car and it gives you fuel, which is the cost of running that car. So I don't have fuel, so essentially my costs have remained almost the same. So my cost would probably, instead of being 650, they're now about 550. That's my cost of living. And let's say hypothetically my total salary, including everything, net is 1.5, which means that I can save per month 950. And let's say hypothetically I also get a job that is not at the lower end, which we said is 1.5, and that's not really at the upper end, which is about 3.5. We have agreed on that. Let's say I got a job which is in between, in the middle, which is about 2.5. That means I can save living comfortably, not sharing my house, driving to work, driving for my weekends, leaving, going for lunch, going to see the Zimbabwe ruins, going to see life, buying drinks comfortably. I can then save 2.5 minus 550, which means I get to save about 1,950 US dollars. And for me, that makes a lot of sense, and it makes for a very comfortable life for me. You know, you can always then lower those costs. If you're not happy with 550, you can always find a place to share where you don't pay as much rent. You can always then reduce your going out as well, to just cater to what your financial needs and your financial pocket is. But yeah, that's about it. The amount that a CA can save ranges from about 950 per month to about 2,950, depending on what job they decided to get. So I just wanted to do this video to just clarify how much you can save, and then you can use that money. So I have not included other things like your black taxis and all your other responsibilities are not the normal day-to-day responsibilities that I took into account when I did the cost of living video. Let me know if you guys want to see my updated cost of living video as a CA. Yeah, let me know if you need to see that. Then I think I'll do another video on it. Thank you so much for sticking around so far, and I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and always sound off in the comment section if there's anything else that you need to know.